Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this type of color profile 8K looks like video on mobile. Make sure you don't skip any part of the video to know how to get this. We have required two apps. Let's start the video. In case if you're new to my channel, make sure you consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. So we have required two apps. First one is called Wink and the second one called Alight Motion. Both app links available is in the description. So right now you can see I'm selected the HD high quality first one option available in the Wink app, and then selected the video, and we have required internet connection to process the video. So it takes some time according to video and internet connection. So as you can see, it's taking some time, but I'm going to speeding up this process to save your time. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. So right now you can see it's almost processed, and this will not take a lot of time. All of the things depending on the internet connection as well as the video size and the length. So right now video processed, and you can see here after and before version. So right now after version is much better in comparison to before, in my opinion, much cleaner and better. So right now open the Alight Motion app, and now simply open Alight Motion app. As you can see here, we have required to name the project, and then need to choose aspect ratio according to video, and then select the resolution of video and FPS frames per second. Now you can see here the add button plus button. Simply click on it and add rectangular shape and fill the area, composition area, and then set its color to green and go to effects. Add first one effect called copy background. Simply search here COPY and the first effect appear. Simply add it to by default and search another effect called Gaussian blur, and this one will appear on the top. As you can see here, simply add it to standard and set it to 1.700 or 750. This is one of the best value. Now again go back and add effect another called exposure and gamma. Simply search here EXPO and the first one appear here. Simply set the exposure to -180 to -70, and then set the gamma 1.300 is okay. So now again go to blending option. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure to consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. Now simply go to blending and opacity, and then select difference and click on subtract. Now go back and we have need to add another rectangular shape like this way. Fill again composition area and simply set its color to white. Go to colors and select white, and now again go to blending and opacity, click contrast and overlay. So now we have need to add media video, which one we have recently enhanced in the Wink app. Simply add the video here and swap underneath the rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Now simply click on the video which one we have recently imported in the Alight Motion app. Click on effects and add saturation and vibrance. 10.0 is the best one saturation. We have no need to do any vibrance. Again click on add effects and search sharpen effect. Now set it to 0.15 to between 0.20 according to your video. We have done, and now we have need to do simply export on highest quality. Till any type of queries or questions, so please let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. New to my channel, make sure you consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. See you soon in next video.